According to the statistics, a total of 31,000 cases of hand, foot, and mouth disease were reported by May 14. Hand, foot, and mouth disease is a viral infection caused by a strain of Coxsackie virus. It causes a blister-like rash that, as the name implies, involves in hands, feet, and mouth. Infants and children younger than 5 years old are more likely to get the disease. It is commonly spread by touching objects or surfaces that have the virus on them.
Hi Julia, my son just got the hand-foot-mouth disease.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Did you bring him to the hospital?
Yes, the doctor also mentioned that his symptoms are quite serious.
I hope he gets well soon. How common is this hand, foot, and mouth disease?
Hand-foot-mouth disease is most common in children in childcare system. The frequent diaper changing and potty training puts them at risk. Most of the time, small children put their hands in their mouth and are not aware of the danger.
That's true. Wow, this disease is so scary. I'm so worried my children will be infected as well.
Oh, I just remember my daughter did a science project regarding this disease. Let me forward it to you.
Hand, foot, and mouth disease is a very serious issue among children. To solve this, we have the visible virus, which is our project. It combines two concepts. Firstly, the Sherlock technology. This technology enables us to detect certain specific RNA particles, that is, the genome of the cell. In our case, the Coxsackie virus RNA. Together with the concept of nanotechnology, where we introduce nanomaterials such as carbon nanotubes, quantum dots, and polymeric nanoparticles to speed up the detection. We are able to detect and show when the Coxsackie virus particles are detected by observing the fluorescence using a mobile device after spraying a chemical solution on the surface. This enables a better sanitization and helps us to avoid the spread of Coxsackie virus.
What is Sherlock technology? Sherlock technology is the short form of specific high-sensitivity enzymatic reporter unlocking. It is an evolution of CRISPR technology. However, instead of using the Cas9 endonuclease, which is used in CRISPR technology, Sherlock uses a related but different enzyme, Cas13a. It can detect a unique genetic sequence in any organism or pathogen such as Zika virus, COVID-19 virus, and Coxsackie virus.
We've talked about the brief introduction of Sherlock. Now, we will move on to how does Sherlock work. First, we need to collect samples from saliva, blood, or swabs. As Sherlock works by amplifying RNA or DNA, it generates a large amount of a target of interest. Then, if the targeted sequence, which in our case is Coxsackie virus RNA sequence, is present in the amplified nucleotides, Cas13a enzyme recognizes them and activates the collateral activity. When it is activated, the collateral cleavage of nucleic acid reporter, which is an RNA reporter, could give a fluorescent readout, and we can observe it from our mobile phone or using laboratory equipment.
Wow, I think this project, the visible virus, really benefits us. Being able to detect the presence of the Coxsackie virus enables us to disinfect and sanitize a surface or place more accurately. This is because by knowing where the particles are, we are able to deal with the threat safely and appropriately, making our surroundings cleaner and safer.
The visible virus is also capable of reducing and curbing the continuous transmission of the Coxsackie virus. This is said so as with good disinfection, there is less exposure of the virus to the public, especially children, thus reducing the cases of infection and in turn reducing the spread. Although this project may seem like a foolproof idea, there are two future improvements that can be made to further enhance it. Firstly, more experiments and research should be carried out to discover more effective ways to detect the virus. By doing so, we can make the chemical solution used in the virus detection more cost efficient, enabling it to be more widely available.
Other than that, alternative ways should be discovered as well so that no phone is needed to observe the fluorescent light. Then it will be more convenient and user-friendly.
In conclusion, our project, the Visible Virus, is the combination of the shuttle technology and nanotechnology. This enables us to detect the presence of the Coxsackie virus by releasing a fluorescent light if the target surface sprayed on by a chemical solution contains traces of the virus. This innovative concept can be implemented in real life through future research and experimentation to ensure this project reaches its full effectiveness. This project led us to be more aware of the Coxsackie virus, allowing us to disinfect more accurately and reduce the virus transmission and infection. That's all from us. We hope you will like our project. Thank you and bye-bye.